Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Siko, and as you can see right here, we have Luna. Luna is 1.5% up. That's what we like to see today. We have a lot of like stuff on the chart. Like base climb is gonna do like most of it. After we mitigated this supply, as you can see, we just started to break through the structure and all that. Right now, like it just no, like let's just delete some things right here. This was the previous prediction that never kind of actually came back to our level. But yeah, I'm just gonna ban bunch of the stuff right here. You know what? Yeah, only the supply on the time frame, right? So after we mitigated it, as you can see, what actually caused this break to the upside and high was this low. So after we broke through the low, right now we have this new kind of trading range, right? We're just gonna do this is not bad, but bam, bro, this. So right now, like our new range is on the higher time frame is gonna be here. So whatever it happens, it just could will come back around here and automatically continue to move to the downside. But that's not what we like to see. For example, on the higher time frame, we're going to see this trading range. So it kind of everything is kind of connected, all right? On the 2 hour time frame, I just don't want to make this super confusing, but we don't like the price to move below this certain level, okay? But it's like whatever we can do, we just need to be reactive, okay? You don't have to be like nothing like else than just reactive and see how the price moves. So if you like really want to find some areas that were never like that were not mitigated, it are gonna be this. Okay, it's gonna be this level for sure. Right here, have a zone right there. I'm just gonna zoom in to show you what we got. Yeah, it was this candle right here. So that was never mitigated. So we can mitigate this. Then right here, you can even go to 15-minute time frame. Just trying to find small demand areas. Overall, like, everything was filled. I cannot see nothing that was not filled. So we could just continue to like to push to the downside. Or what could actually happen is, as you can see, here we broke the structure and all that. But it just goes like it's just a cycle, all right? It's just a cycle, and it can go all the time. Like if I just say, okay, we broke through this structure, we have this new trading range. No, like we just have to stick to a time frame and just like see from there. Right now, like the what do we have? Okay, we have two time frames. The first of all is the uptrend, all right. This one right here, and like the downtrend is this thing right here because we broke the structure. We're still in this trading range on the higher time frame. So from here we could expect this to move even higher. So let me know what are your thoughts. I hope that I make this kind of like understandable. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, goodbye, and I will keep you guys updated. And join the free Discord. First link in the description down below. Bye.